Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for you, especially if you're looking for the best hydrating face cream for winter. We'll be diving deep into the 8 Saints Cloud Whip Vitamin C Face Moisturizer Day Cream. So, stay tuned because this one's a game changer. Alright, folks, let's start by introducing our star of the day, the 8 Saints Cloud Whip Vitamin C Face Moisturizer Day Cream. This product is making waves for its amazing hydrating properties. And it's not just any moisturizer, it's the best solution for winter skincare. Now, let's talk about what sets this moisturizer apart. Firstly, it's packed with vitamin C, which we all know is a powerhouse ingredient for brightening and rejuvenating your skin. Plus, it's formulated with MSM, vitamin B5, and borage oil, making it a dream come true for your skin. The best part? It's natural, organic, cruelty-free, and made right here in the USA. Winter can be harsh on our skin, but not anymore. The Cloud Whip Face Moisturizer does wonders. It provides all-day hydration, fights off free radicals, fades sunspots, and prevents discoloration. Your skin will thank you for this moisture boost, and trust me, it's suitable for all skin types. Using this moisturizer is a breeze. Just take a small amount, apply it to your face and neck, and massage it in. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling fresh and dewy. You can use it both in the morning and evening for the best results. Now, let's see what people are saying about this product. Customers are raving about how this cream has transformed their skin. It's been called cozy in a jar for your face and for all the right reasons. Many have noticed brighter, smoother skin, and they love the subtle, pleasant scent. So, there you have it, folks. If you're looking for the best hydrating face cream for winter, 8 Saints Cloud Whip Vitamin C Face Moisturizer Day Cream should be at the top of your list. With its natural ingredients and impressive results, it's truly a game changer in the world of skincare. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more product reviews that matter. Stay hydrated, stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.